Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account and join the community. So as you can see, this is the EURCAW-Pigs community. We use Plio. This is a Dutch community system, but as you can see, it's also available in English. So if you've never used Plio before, you have to register and create an account right here. This screen is in Dutch for me, but you basically have to enter your name, your email address. I just use my personal Gmail right now because my work email address is already in the community, but I would definitely recommend you use your work email address for this. All right, agree to the terms of service and register. So now we're going to get an email address or an email. And look at that, it's already here. You just have to click the link to activate the account. As you can see, the email is sent by Plio. Alrighty, alright, activate the account. Alright, so now we have to add some things to our profile. So your expertise. Basically, you can just be as specific here as possible. So try to be a bit more specific than just animal welfare. Just test for now. Position, what your position is in your organization, what organization you work for, and your email address, so people can contact you within a community. So you have to request access, click the button, and there you go. We just have to wait now till an admin approves. Alright, so an administrator has approved my access request. So now by clicking the link, I can log into the community. Click the button right here. And there we are.